from 3 miles walk through the woods of the pine tree, guys. So what you are about to see is a surprise. Something that many people like, but we are go make you see what go on. Make you see what go on. I'm sure I'm here to friend them. We do all sort of hunt, bird hunt, goat hunt, hog hunt, and you know what there is. So let's go on. Stick around. You will see everything what take place. This is just the journey. After we drive 5 miles, the wind have to come up and drink. Take on a walk in and 3 miles. We're walking through the bush now. Alright. These guys are bush guinea gods, you know. Yeah, man. Alright. Saturday morning. Just try find little exercise. But we'll do it for a valid purpose. Stick around here, we see the motive of what take place. Yeah, man, so reach to a point where they're close now. Close. You hear how me a blow? Yeah, man. See your rasta, yeah?
Yeah, you're in a bush. Fuck it up.
Yeah, man. Me I still reach it on the tree there. On the tree there, but what do you mean this high tree? Stop that on fire. Yeah, that reach on the long time. Fine, we sell some of the first fruit. First fruit. See it? Mm-hmm. Hold it the pantry, man. They're nice. And the one that I fuck up green. There's no food on the outside, man. We don't matter who come, we come now. Mm-hmm. See guys, them like bird up in that tree. Take a look and see we have some guava now. Later from now, we see how the jam make. Yeah, man. I think we are destroyed this morning because a deep bush with it. Body boy, man, how do you know? Man, we are doing, boy. In tongue?
Mad. I'm dead, man. Just go find the police or want it. I'm not gonna lock him up.
Where's the body boy cutting tongue in dead? Yeah, man. So you have 3 ninja over here, so. Yeah.
Start with you, the right saying in our beer.
Yeah, man.